Kids, in our last video, we solved some amazing logical reasoning questions on fraction. You all did a fantastic job thinking smart and solving step by step. But today, we are moving to the next level. Today, we are starting the achiever section. These questions are not regular school questions. They are Olympiad style, high thinking, brain boosting fraction problems. Here, you don't just calculate, you think, you compare, you analyze, you solve like a champion. So get your notebook ready, keep a pencil in your hand, and remember you have a few seconds for each question. Pause the video, solve it yourself, and check the answer. Let's see who became the fraction achievers today. Let's begin. So, our first question is, which fraction is the greatest? Options are 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 4 by 5, 9 by 10. So what do you think? Which fraction is greatest? Yes. Option D is your correct answer. 9 by 10 is the greatest. Right? So let's see the second question. Which of the following is equal to 3 by 4? So what did you think? Which option? A 6 by 10, B 9 by 12, C 12 by 10, 20, D 15 by 24. Which option is will be equals to 3 by 4? So let's solve. Okay. So now see 6 and 10. Option A. 6 and 10 are coming in multiplication of 2 table, right? So if we 2 by 3 by 5 we divide it by 2. So what you will get? 2 3s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So it will be 3 by 5. We require 3 by 4. So we can check for option B. See if we multiply it by this 9 and 12 are coming in 3 tables. So see divided by 3. So what you will get? You will get 9, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Right? So we are getting 3 by 4 in option B. So option B is your correct answer. 9 by 12 divided by 3 will be equals to 3 by 4. So option B is the correct answer. Next, the shaded part represents. So you have to check in the figure this shaded part what it represents. See, first you have to check numerator and denominator. I will check the color numerator and denominator. So what is first I will tell what is denominator. So denominator means how many total equal parts are there. Okay, so first we will check how many total equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 total equal parts. I will write 8 here. Okay, and numerator means how many parts are shaded. Means what the question is asked. Shaded or unshaded. Here we are asked shaded part. So how many parts are shaded? 3 parts are shaded. So I will write 3. So your correct answer is 3 by 8. Okay, let's go for fourth question. On a number line from 0 to 1, the line is divided into 8 equal parts. Okay, see here the line is divided into 8 equal parts, right? Point P is at 6th mark. So point P is at 6th mark. What fraction is represented by P? So now again it is asking what is the fraction of point P here. So again we can write P equals to numerator by denominator. Then how many points are totally equal? Are there 8 equal parts? They are given 8, right? And how at what point P is at 6th point. So 6. Okay. So 6 by 8. We are getting 6 by 8 also. Now if we divide it by 2, so 2 3s are 6, right? And 2 4s are 8. Again we are getting 3 by 4. Both options we are getting. So we can say option C, both A and B is the correct answer. Right? Let's go for the next one. Which rectangle shows the greater shaded area? So see which rectangle is greatest. See first we will calculate. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is having total 8 equal parts, and how many parts are shaded? 7 parts are shaded. So it is 7 by 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6. So in the B rectangle, total equal parts are 6 and 4 are shaded. So which is greater? Always remember, greater the denominator, greater the angle, greater the number. Okay. So option A, great rectangle A is having a greater shaded area. Let's see the next. In a class of 3 by 5, sorry, in a class 3 by 5 are boys. Out of that, 1 by 4th of the boys are absent. Okay. What fraction of the whole class are absent boys? So from 3 by 5th of boys, 1 by 4th of boys are absent. So we have to calculate how many boys total are absent in the whole class. Simple. What you have to do in the 3 by 5th class of boys, multiplication of 1 by 4. So what you will get? 3 ones are 3 and 5 fourths are 20. See, where you are getting 3 by 20 in option A. So option A is your correct answer. So here the next is a circle is divided into 16 equal small parts. See, okay, the shaded region forms 12 small parts. So shaded region forms how many small parts? 12. So I'm shading these 12 small parts. Okay. So now next, what fraction is not shaded? So how many fractions numbers are not shaded? 1, okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts are not shaded. So what fraction is not shaded? So first how many parts are there totally? 16. And from that 4 parts are not shaded. So what you are getting? 4 by 16. So see in option A 4 by 12, B 3 by 4, C 12 by 16, D 1 by 4. So option is not there. So what we will do? So 4 is getting divided by 1 by 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. Now check this option is there. Yes, it is option D. Right. So let's go for the next question. Ria spent 2 by 5th of her money. Then she spent 1/3 of the remaining money. What fraction of the original money is left? Okay. So Ria is spending 2/5 of her money. So first she is having one whole money with her. Okay, consider. Then from this one part, she is spending 2/5. Okay, so how much money she will left? 3 by 5, right? Is left. Okay. Now, second, then she spent 1/3 of the remaining money. So she is spending 1/3 of the remaining money, not from her original money. She is spending from the 3/5 of this part. Okay, so we will multiply this. Try to understand it clearly. Okay, so what you will get here? 1 by 5. So she is spending 2 by 5th and 1 by 5th money from the original. Okay, so we have to calculate that spend money. Okay, that will be 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So total will be 3 by 5. So total 3 by 5 money she has spent. So now we have to calculate how much money is left from the original money. Okay, so original money is 1 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so what answer you will get? 2 by 5. If you are getting confused, try to understand it again. Ria spent 2 by 5th of her money. Okay, from the original. So original I'm considering as 1. Okay, she was having total 1, okay, rupee. From that she has spent 2 by 5. So how much money she is left? She is left with 3 by 5th of money. Okay, next she spent 1/3 of the remaining money. She is not spending 1/3 from the original. Okay, from this 3 by 5th which is left, from that she is spending 1/3. So how much she left? She left with 1/5. Okay, so total how much money she spent? She spent 2 by 5th plus that 2 by 5th plus 1 by 5th we get from here. So total she spent 3 by 5. Now we have to calculate how much original money is left. So original money was 1. So 1 minus 3 by 5. So answer is option B. Priya has a chocolate divided into 8 equal pieces. She eats 3 pieces. Her brother eats 1 by 4th of the whole chocolate. Who ate more? Priya, brother, both equal and we cannot say. So first, what we will do? We will convert 1 by 4th into 8 parts. So we can write 1 by 4 into 8 parts means we can write as 2 by 8. So it will be easy for us to check the answer. Okay. So this much chocolate. Okay. Her brother ate 2 by 8 parts. Now Priya ate how many parts? From 8, she ate 3 pieces. So we can write 3 by 8. So now tell me, who ate more, Priya or her brother? Yes, it is Priya who ate more. So answer A is your correct answer. A box is 5 by 6 full of juice. How much more is needed to make it full? Full means one. Okay. So a box is 5 by 6 of juice. We have to make it full. So 1 minus 5 by 6. So how much it is required? 1 by 6. Okay. We have to 6 minus 5 divided by 6. So we will get 1 by 6. The option A is your correct answer. Next, there are 20 students in a class. Half are girls, 1 by 5th of the girls wear glasses. What fraction of the whole class are girls wearing glasses? So half of class are girls. Okay. From that 1 by 5th are wearing glasses. So how many girls are wearing glasses? 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. So that will be equals to 1 by 10. So option B is the correct answer. If 3 by 8 of a number is 12, the number is. Okay, so we have to find the number. So what we will do here? 8 into 12 divided by 3. So 3 first are 3 fours. And we know that 8 into 4 equals to 32. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. A pizza is cut into 10 slices. 3 slices are eaten by Ali. 2 by Sarah. What a fraction of pizza is left? So total how many pieces were there? 10 pieces were there. Okay. 3 was eaten by Ali, 2 by Sarah. So 5 by 10 total left. Right? So option A is your correct answer. Again, we can write this 5 by 10 as 1 by 2. Right? So option B is also correct answer. So we can say both A and B are the correct answers. A tank is 3 by 8 full. 5 liters of water is added to make it half full. Okay, so what is the capacity of the tank? We can say. So let's do. How much water is added? 5 liters of water is added to half. So we can write this as half minus 3 by 8 because 3 by 8 it was first full, then 5 liters of water is again added. So this will be equals to, we can divide by 16. See what you have to do? You have to cross multiply and multiply the denominator. So 8 minus 3. So what you will get here? 5 by 16. Next is 12 candies are shared equally among 3 friends. Each friend eats half of their share. How many candies does each friend eat? So see, 12 candies are shared among how many friends? 3 friends. So we can write 12 divided by 3. So we are getting 4. Okay, answer. And each friend eats half of their share. So half of their share means fourth half is 2. So what answer are you getting? Option A is your correct answer. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to see more such Olympiad questions. Thanks for watching.